Support needed for our new website for the blind community. Dear friends, we are the team behind the National Audio Library for the Blind, NALOB, a nonprofit initiative dedicated to making Urdu books accessible for blind and visually impaired people through audio recordings. Since July 2020, with the help of volunteers and supporters, we have recorded more than 70 Urdu books and shared them on our YouTube channel. To ensure that our work remains safe and permanently available to the community, we are now planning to build our own independent website, a digital audio library for blind users. This website will include user login with username and password, document upload for verification, CNIC/disability certificate, free membership for blind users. The estimated cost for building and hosting the website is around $150 to $180 for 3 to 4 years. We humbly request your support, whether financial or technical, to help us build this platform. Every contribution, big or small, will help us continue serving the blind community and preserve years of hard work. Email: nationalaudiolibrary@gmail.com. WhatsApp: +9 23214342 With best regards and gratitude, Team NALOB, National Audio Library for the Blind.